Hello, thank you for tuning in to this year's Redbird Raffle. My name is Andrew Stewart, and today is January 13th, 2018. It is 11 o'clock, and we are here located within the Belfour Training Center of the Little Caesars Arena. And we're going to begin with our live drawing. Before we begin, I do want to thank all of our team managers for helping coordinate this fundraising raffle for your teams and throughout the communities within youth hockey across Michigan. So with that, I would also like to thank all of our participants, wish them each luck, and thank you for supporting youth hockey in your local area. Additionally, we'd like to thank the Detroit Red Wings for making this fundraising event possible, in addition to Olympia Entertainment, 313 Presents, and the Fox Theater. Additionally, the Detroit Tigers, the Detroit Lions, Detroit Pistons, and Motor City Casino. So with that, we'll begin with our live drawing. We'll be pulling names out, and we'll be going in order as the way that they were listed. So our grand prize will be the first one drawn with all names entered into this drawing, and we'll work our way down the list. So with that, I will give the drum a spin, and we will begin. All right. So we are going for a road trip for two with the Detroit Red Wings on the Redbird 3 to New Jersey, flying out on January 21st, 2018. Our grand prize winner will be, let's go right in the middle. We have ticket number 06000, Lou Gary. Lou Gary, congratulations. All right, our next prize, unique one, a pair of original seats from the Joe Louis Arena. Lucky enough to get a pair of that. Those go off over to the side here. All right, a pair of seats from the Joe Louis Arena will go to ticket number 27877, Mike Ratted. Congratulations, Mike. All right, next we have 4 tickets to a 2017-18 Detroit Red Wings home game with parking passes included. So the Wings are just getting off of their NHL break right now. A lot of good games in the last quarter of the season here to go. And invited down here to the new arena will be a ticket number 02359, Paul Grinzenza. Apologize if I'm not saying that right, but thank you and congratulations. All right, next we have 2 gondola seats in the 2017 Detroit Red Wings home game. So those new gondolas hanging up from the rafters, kind of unique here that we have in Detroit. One fall out here, we're going to just put that guy back in. Shake. All right, 2 gondola seats will go to, grab from the bottom. Ticket number 30561, Lori Anderin. Congratulations. All right, next we have a 1-hour private rental of ice at the Little Caesars Arena's Training Center, conveniently where we're located right now. Private ice rental for you and all of your friends. We'll go with ticket number 29004, Drew Dyslowski. Congratulations. All right, next we have prize number 6, an opportunity for 4 guests to attend a mutually agreed upon 2016-17 Detroit Red Wings practice. Unique access to watch the team. And our winning ticket will be number, let's feel a winner here. All right, ticket number 05980 L. Gaddy. Congratulations. All right, next we have 4 tickets to a Detroit Pistons home game during this 2017-18 season. And our winner will be, let's go right off the top here. Right at the top and the front. It's almost time for a new drum. There we go. All right, we have ticket number 28505, a Kathy Brim. Congratulations, Kathy. All right, prize number 8, we have an autographed Dylan Larkin jersey. And this prize will go to, let's go to the prize. Autographed Dylan Larkin jersey will be going to ticket number 02276, Glenn Glessing. Congratulations, Glenn. All right, kind of a unique one for your sports memorabilia fans. Next up, we have an autographed and game-used Danny DeKaiser ice skates. Something rare you're not going to find anywhere else. And we're going to go front. Let's go right against the wall. And we have ticket number 10883, Vinny Cavone. Congratulations, Vinny. All right, prize number 10, our captain, an autographed Henrik Zetterberg jersey. Draw another spin. Gonna go all the way to the bottom. Feels like a winner. And we have ticket number 17378, and Aaron Deaton. Congratulations, Aaron. All right, from the alumni, an autographed Detroit Red Wings player, Nick Lidstrom, an autographed Nick Lidstrom poster. This will go to, let's go somewhere off the top. All right, ticket number 16065, John James. Congratulations, John. All right, sticking with the theme of alumni, an autographed copy of the book 6, A Tribute to LCAHL. Ticket number 245 463, Christine Van Bergen. Congratulations, Christine. All right, no longer with us, but a World Series champion, an autographed Justin Verlander jersey. Oh, this guy fell out. Closing that tightly. All right, autographed Justin Verlander jersey will be going to ticket number 27914, Alex Carothers. Congratulations, Alex. All right, so our next prize, we have prize number 14, an autographed Taylor Decker football, provided to us from our friends in the District of Detroit, the Detroit Lions. And this will go to, let's go all the way again. Kind of grab from different areas in this drum. All right, ticket number 19634, Kelly Moore. Congratulations, Kelly. All right, prize number 15, a one-night stay at Motor City Casino Hotel. And we will have prize number, ticket number, I should say. Ticket number 27951, John Colwell. Congratulations, John. All right, prize number 16, 4 tickets to a Fox Theater event with dinner on the lodge level. This guy will spin. We'll go off the side this time. Right up against the wall, let's say this one. All right, ticket number 30829, a Derek Lucas. Congratulations, Derek. You will be going to a Fox Theater show of your choice. And next one, another unique one from the Detroit Tigers. We have 4 100 level tickets to a 2018 Tigers regular season home game in April or May with the opportunity to watch batting practice. Another exclusive prize we're probably not going to find anywhere else. This is Raffle so much fun. And we are going to go with ticket number 18981, Larry Grefka. Congratulations, Larry. Well, folks, so following this raffle, each of these winners right here will be contacted via telephone and email, notifying them that they are our winners. But with that, everyone is a winner involved in this prize, as the proceeds benefited from this will go directly to those teams and helping offset some of their finances throughout the youth hockey season. So again, I would like to thank you, Hockey Town, for supporting youth hockey through this Redbird raffle, and again to the Little Caesars Amateur Hockey League. Thank you.